Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Poppy from HeatSign. Glass manufacturers require accurate and efficient marking solutions to ensure their products are properly identified and traceable. The use of traditional marking methods, such as labels, inks, and stamps, can be time-consuming, error-prone, and produce inconsistent results. This is where the UV laser marking machine comes in. In this video, the UV laser marking machine uses a high-powered laser beam to etch marks directly onto the surface of the glass. This process is fast, precious, and can be easily automated to integrate into glass production lines. More importantly, traditional inkjet printing is erasable, while UV laser marking is permanent. If you are interested in UV laser engraving machine for glass, please contact us.